Hello friends, good afternoon and welcome in the world of BioCell tutorials. So today myself Assistant Professor Madhuri Deshmukh presenting family Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. So friends, we can observe here the flower of Clitoria ternatia, or we called it as the by common name butterfly. So this is belonging to the family Leguminosae. Leguminosae is the large group of the family, so showing the subfamily Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. So the previous name of this family was Papilionaceae. Nowadays it is well known by the name Fabaceae. This type is the Clitoria ternatia butterfly. Habit: evergreen perennial twinner. Root of this plant is taproot, and the peculiarity or speciality of this root is that the roots of the butterfly plant showing the noodles, small noodles on the surface of the roots for the nitrogen fixation. So we call it as a nodules. Then stem is weak, herbaceous, twinner, cylindrical, hairy. Then leaf is the petiolate, stipulate, and the unipinnate compound leaves and alternate. The leaflet is stalked, large, unicostate, reticulate venation and hairy. Inflorescence is solitary, means showing single flower arrangement. Axillary and cyme also. Axillary means arrangement of the flower is on axial sides. Flower pedicellate and bractate. The flower is complete flower showing bisexual. Zygomorphic, hypogynous, then pentamerous and blue. Calyx, 5-sepal, gamosepalous and showing the valvate estivation. It is bell shaped. Corolla phyule, polypetalous, vexillary. So here a very unique flower arrangement is here. It shows 5 petals and they are vary in size and shape. So one petal showing the one outermost petal showing the vexillary, that is it is large one and it is called as a vexillum or standard. It is the largest. 2 lateral petals called as wings and 2 small petals unite together to form the boat shaped structure, and that is called as a keel. And the flowers petals are the blue colored. Androecium 10 stamens and showing the diadelphous nature, means 9+1 arrangement. 9 androeciums arranged in a single and another one separate. So this arrangement is called as a 9+1 diadelphous arrangement. 9 is getting united and another one is separate or free. Anther is diathecious, means it is 2-lobed. Dorsifixed. Intros. Now let us discuss about gynoecium. Gynoecium is monocarpellary, means showing a single carpel. Ori superior means all other floral whorl arranged below the ori. It is unilocular, showing a single locule and many ovules along the margin style. Short stigma and it is simple. So placentation is marginal placentation. So this is the floral formula. Br representing bractet. This percentage like symbol showing the zygomorphic character of the flower. Then the male and female are present in a same flower, so it is bisexual. Corolla, calyx. First of all, calyx are 5 and they are united, so it's shown in a bracket, that is gamosepalous. We called it as a gamosepalous. Then corolla, number of corollas are 5. One is the large one called as a standard or vexillum. Another one 2, and that is separate, and the lowermost 2 are join each other and form the keel. So this is showing in a bracket. Androecium showing the 9+1 arrangement. Gynoecium is unilocular and ori is superior. Thank you. So this is the structure of petals, androecium, floral formula, a twig of this butterfly plant, calyx, corolla. So friends, you can observe here clearly. So thank you, and wishing you a very happy, prosperous, healthy and wealthy, successful Happy New Year 2021 to all my students.